Right people, we are back on with the Copart purchased BMW 320D estate. Now, in the last video, we used the puller to pull the sill out. Wayne has primed it. Come and have a look at this repair, guys, from where it was when we picked up the vehicle. So the door is on, which we got from the breaker's yard. Old door is down here. Wayne has pulled that sill out completely and just puffed in some primer, ready for us to start getting the paint done, which we will be doing today. But look at this, people. Look at that. Even the colour match on the doors, bearing in mind this is one we took off another vehicle. So the wing will be getting lined up today. We'll be getting all the paint done, side skirts on. We've got some paint which we picked up from the body shop yesterday. We're going to go around, touch it all up, and then once this is all done, we want to get the wheels done. And then this vehicle will be up for sale. One former keeper, done 90, repair done properly, painted accurately, and then, yeah, ready for the next car. So what will we be buying next at Copart? Because once this one goes, we want two more. Because we sell one, we buy two. And that's why I'm in this mess around the whole yard. That's why I'm in this mess. But let's get on with this BMW and I'll show you how we get on with painting it. Right people, we are just going to remove the door on the 320 and then Wayne's going to start jumping on with what we have got going on. But we have got an awful lot of paint stuff. This, guys, so we've got all the stuff ready for getting this lot done. So just going to be removing the door and then we're going to get on with doing some painting. We've got our resident painter stroke fabricator stroke just general genius really on the tools this morning on a Saturday morning. Do you know what, right, this is going to be a really nice car for someone. Yeah, man. You know, I don't even want to sell it. You know when you just don't want to sell it because I know it's a really good car. Right, you got it? Yep. Look at this, on a Saturday, struggling. Right, make sure that stays on there. One door off. So basically, we're just going to clean all this up.
Wipe it down, blow all the water out of all the little grooves and shit that will dribble out while we're in the middle of doing something.
Yeah. So it is early Monday morning and Wayne was here over the weekend and we quickly got this painted. Have a look at this, guys. Have a look at this, guys. How nice has this come out? What a absolute lovely job that Wayne has done here. So it's over to me now. We are going to get the door fitted back up. We have got the rubber to put back round, as you can see here. And then we're going to get this door fitted back on. And then I'm going to attempt to get this wing on with the side skirt and hopefully get this one back together, guys. Right, so let's get this rubber on. I didn't take it off, so I can't actually remember where we started from, but you can sort of work it out from the way the rubber was on the door, because you can see the rubber there. Look, see, we've got that shape which sort of works there, I would say. Obviously I've done a few of these in my time, so I would say, looking at the rubber, that's where it goes. Now I need to make sure that this actually has the door trims in there properly, otherwise it'll all be sticking out and make it look horrible. Need to make sure it's right on, people, otherwise it will leave a gap. It goes all the way back. Anyone would think we've done that before. Look at that, guys, like brand new. And look at that, straight in the middle there. Right, so all the bungs are now in on the bottom. Door rubber is on. The inside sill panel is on. We just fitted these yellow tabs for this. So we're going to try and see if we can get this to all go in at the same time, which would be really good, because they move on sliders, so you have to try and get them so that it's probably easier to try and start one. 5. Done and in. Right, so on with the door. I better.
Fixed now.
Right, nearing the end of this one. Trim on, and then we'll be trying to get this wing fitted up. Right, so I'm assuming it goes downwards, and these just push through, do they?
Yep.
Oh, there's a hook there, isn't there, normally? Is there a hook?
We might hook round that edge. Yeah.
You got it?
Yep.
And that is the door on. We will see if everything works. Come on! Oh, turn that down so you can copyright it. I hate that when that bus goes in there. Right. That's all working, mate. Is the mirror working? Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cinch locking.
Right. You ready, cinch locking?
Cinch locking.
Perfect, guys. Right. We will put that window down. Let's see if we can get this wing fitted up quickly, and then it'll be ready for its first clean. Ta-da! Let's just pray that the wing colour is as good as what the door was. We come off the same car, so it should be. Dan, we need to put a bulb in that bulb holder, because it broke on Wayne. Well, actually, no, it didn't break on Wayne. I'm just overreacting. It was broke in the accident. There you go, Wayne. I rescinded my comment. I love having bins there. You just put stuff on them. Do you want a pair of... Oh my God, he's actually just pulled out of his fingers. Guy's a weapon. You know what, right? I actually really, really like this car. Am I sad? Right, that looks like the one we took out. So we'll get the wing off the bin. Wing off the bin. Let's see. Oh,
It's falling over.
Do you know what? That would have been on camera as well. Look, it's following me. Jesus. Oh yeah, that's bent. This has got to be. Let's try. Okay. Now we've got to try and work out Okay, yeah. That is the wing alignment. Right, so that is the wing, the door card, the side skirt and the trim fitted to this BMW. What a fantastic job that everyone has done on this. Have a look, guys. As you can see here, that is the trim, that's everything on, the sills, everything is in. So now what we're going to be doing, we've got the wheels off. Obviously, that's a spare one that we had. So the wheels are off now with Wayne, and they are going a gunmetal grey. We're having new badges. We've got a new tyre being fitted on the rear because I wasn't happy about the tread on it. We've got new badges, and then this car, small amount of paint left to do on the front bumper corner, and then this car will be getting its first clean. So stay tuned to the final chapter of this BMW 320 that we purchased from Copart, smashed up, category S with a small mark on the sill, which we have repaired. So, last video on this, coming hopefully next week.